show you what we got going on. So, I don't know if you hear that. Got it tapping sound from the starter.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Yes, sir. Rise and grind. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, in this video, we got a 2009 INFINITI G37. We're going to be doing a starter replacement. Brand new starter. And that thing is located up underneath the vehicle. Gonna have to go through the passenger or the driver's side wheel well. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get it. Go ahead and get that hood up, and you want to remove your power wire from the battery so you don't have any power. This ground wire, 10 millimeter, holding that in. As you can see, we got it up in the air on jack stands. Want to make sure we got some room up under here. Alright, we got our wheel off. Get off in here in this wheel well. And right behind there is the starter. You can see that cable wire is the power wire on the front of it. Right there. Back of the transmission, we got two bolts holding it in. And that's the bottom bolt right here. And the top bolt right here. 14 mil. Went ahead and removed that rubber piece from over that power wire, that nut. The nut is a 13 millimeter. Got a little short socket on it and a swivel and this long extension. Next we got the signal wire. Just want to pull this out like that. Now we're gonna work on those bolts on the back. Yeah, we got those loose. Go ahead and finish getting them out. Make sure you put that bracket back on there. Alright, that's one bolt. And that's the second one. Both look the same size. Alright, we back up on the side. We're gonna go ahead and push this thing up out of here. So what I did was came from the back and pushed it out. I had to wiggle and jiggle that thing and push it up out of there. But we out. Now we gotta push it forward up that way. We're gonna have to remove that skid plate too, because we want to come through here down in this area. So we're gonna remove a few of these 10 millimeter bolts and get this down so we can get up through there. Went ahead and removed the whole skid plate. Alright, this is gonna be the area right here. Gonna get through there. Alright, we got this AC compressor. This little line that's connected to it is a bracket. You want to take that 10 millimeter bolt out. And with that bolt gone, we can move that out the way. And we can work on the starter getting through here. And we almost through there. I pretty much laid it to the, turned it towards the motor. And see how it's leaning? That pretty much made it work. Can we come through here? I probably gotta go past that and go here through this gap where my hand is. There we go. Come on. And that is it. Alright, that brand new one. Old one. So that's pretty much some 3M. Gotta peel that back when you put it in and install it so it don't move around. Put it in position. I put the first bolt in at the top and did the bottom finger tight. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up. Alright, we in there. We're gonna go to the front, tighten up the power wire. Go ahead and install this signal wire while we're back here. And we in there. Power wire connected. Everything is installed. We're gonna go ahead and hook up your battery terminal and start it up. See what we got. That did the trick, man. Alright, man, I hope the video helped out. Until next time, Pull Up King.